Hello everyone, and welcome to our event titled Responsible Quantum Technologies. We acronymed it to RESQT, but we are open to suggestions in the long run. And first of all, I would like to go over some house rules explicitly. As you can see, this event is being recorded, and the recordings will be uploaded to the YouTube channel of our institute, so that they can be viewed by a wider audience, and later, if you want to, you can watch them again. So while asking your questions during the panels or during the talks, if you do not want to be seen or heard, you can type them in the chat. The chat is not being recorded, and I can read them out loud without referring to by your name. As mentioned on the web page and the invite, this event is organized as a collaboration between an internal project within ITAS, which is titled QuTec, and the QTE4E Open Outreach Pilot Project under the QTEdu Coordination and Support Action, which is an action under the Quantum Flagship program. And we will hear more about that action soon. Let me introduce myself very quickly. My name is Zeki Seskir, and I am a doctoral researcher at KIT-ITAS in Karlsruhe, Germany. And also I am one of the coordinators of the QTE4E pilot project. My background is in physics, but I switched fields, so I kind of betrayed the hard sciences to continue my work in more social sciences, and I switched first to science and technology policy studies, and now to technology assessment. But my topic, as you might guess, is still quantum technologies. Initially, I first encountered discussions on RRI, which is Responsible Research and Innovation in quantum technologies, at a paper published by Christopher Koenen and Armin Grunwald 4 years ago. And I thought that this was a very important issue to be discussed within the community. And in recent years, although there was some constructive debate on the issue, especially on the ethics front, I actually didn't see much full-blown conversations taking off on RRI and related topics as I expected. So thanks to Professor Grunwald, now we are organizing this event to help these conversations take place and to introduce quantum technologies to new audiences, especially from social sciences. We hope that this symposium serves as a trading zone between different communities, where the audiences from technology assessment and science and technology studies can peek at the discussions being had within the quantum community, because most of our panelists are actually from the quantum technologies community. And we really hope that this will be an initial step towards further discussions that can be hopefully be organized with on-site events, face-to-face, where we can actually see each other, drink some coffee together, and this way we can communicate better